Are you looking for the best EDC everyday carry gear and EDC survival kit? When it comes to daily basis gear, EDC kit is undoubtedly amongst the most important. Your everyday carry kit consists of all the things you should have at all times, in case a disaster or an emergency catches you away from your bag. This kit is much more available to you, and you're much more likely to use it. Carry a useful accessory with you everywhere you go. The Keysmart AllTul Raptor multi-tool. It combines 6 useful tools into 1. A bottle opener, a wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a carabiner, and a wire cutter, so you'll never be without while not having to lug around multiple accessories. Use the AllTul Raptor multi-tool, which is made of stainless steel, to open a beer and conduct DIY electrical work. You can even use it to tighten spokes on your bike and more. Best of all, this EDC combines these tools into one slim profile that fits in your pocket. Lightweight and portable, you can store it in your bag to use whenever you need it. Brighten up the dark with the NEBO unisex Techie 2K flashlight. It provides 5 light modes: high, medium, low, strobe, and turbo. The high mode gives you 500 lumens of brightness, while the medium mode delivers 200. Meanwhile, the strobe clocks 500 lumens and the turbo boasts 2000, so you definitely have a range of lighting options. What's more, this EDC gadget features anodized aircraft-grade aluminum for durability. It's also water and impact resistant, so you won't have to worry about falls and splashes. Meanwhile, the pocket-sized design easily fits in a bag, backpack, or back pocket, and the useful clip allows you to attach the unisex Techie to your belt or side of your backpack. Finally, the magnetic charging dock makes powering this flashlight a breeze. A perfect all-occasion knife, the Kershaw Blur has a 3.4-inch blade made from Sandvik stainless steel, known for its ability to hold a sharp edge and resist corrosion, with a DLC coating that adds even more protection. Kershaw's speed, safe, assisted opening deploys the blade quickly and safely with one hand, while the Track Tech grip on the anodized aluminum handle makes for sure handling. With a big, slightly recurved blade ideal for multitasking, Kershaw Blurs offers amazing slicing and piercing capabilities, good for tackling tough jobs. The Blur family of knives has many different versions, from the steels to the handle materials. The same great, useful, powerful blade shape with fierce design offers users consistency and dependability. The low-profile pocket clip rests on the frame, making it easy to pull from the pocket. Here's a wire-gate carabiner that can open bottles, light your way, and hang onto your keys. Made from tough TC4 titanium, the FL10 weighs in just under 2 ounces, yet packs a small 360 max lumen lamp made by LED component Giant Cree that'll help you open locks or make repairs in the dark. It charges via micro USB and has a wedge tool at one end, offering extra utility for your EDC. The portable flashlight has a carabiner that can be easily attached to key rings, bags, or other EDC gear. And it's water and impact resistant. As another option, it's also a good bottle opener. You can use it in a variety of scenarios, such as camping, walking the dog, looking for things, repairing. The pocket flashlight has a unique titanium switch that prevents accidental activation, adopts low, medium, high, turbo, and strobe 5 modes. Triple clicks to access turbo mode, click again for strobe. It's tiny, lightweight, but incredibly bright, a must-have EDC flashlight for your collection, or it's an ideal gift for your friends or kids. Single-pack travel is a revelation. This 2-day assault backpack is equally equipped to get you through a night in the wilderness or a night in the wilds of the big city. Its signature 3-zip design provides ready access to the pack's contents, enough mole on the sides and back of the pack to entertain substitutions from flashbang pocket attachments to urban necessities. The crucial component is organized storage. With a 27-liter capacity, the pack has a big main compartment that opens wide for your clothes and larger gear. Multiple internal pockets hold your laptop and smaller stuff safely. Mole straps and water bottle pockets give you outside storage. Go ahead and stuff it. The full-length frame and waist belt will distribute the weight comfortably. If you commute by bike, snowboard, or like being the guy who says, "Let me take a look," when something breaks, a good multi-tool is a must. This one from Tactica packs 17 tools into a unique carabiner-shaped tool. Design is not just about what it looks like, it's about how things work. The Tactica M100 is the result of extensive research and development to ensure it fits the needs of everyone. Pairing materials typically used in military and aerospace applications, the Tactica M100 features the best in lightweight and strong composite technology with the hard-wearing properties of hardened stainless steel. The result is a multi-tool designed to perform and built to last. The stainless steel tool is wrapped in a composite frame that won't scratch your device if they end up in the same pocket. Open packages, open bare, use standard and metric wrenches, or snap in the hex bits stored in the frame to tighten and drive screws. TSA compliant, air travel friendly, the Tactica M100 is TSA compliant, the perfect wingman on your next adventure. Ergonomic design, designed for real life. Its shape ensures ease of use even when you need to keep your gloves on. Get yourself a pen, a real non-plastic pen, and you get attached to it feeling the oversight when it's not part of your EDC. Gerber's Impromptu tactical pen is a perfect example of an enduring quality writing instrument that can also get you out of tight situations with the glass breaker tip and steel barrel. USA made and Cerakote coated, the Impromptu was developed in collaboration with law enforcement and can write in rain or snow with a push-button ballpoint pen cartridge. The Impromptu tactical pen combines Gerber's decades of experience crafting tools with valuable input from police officers to offer a utilitarian tool that could quite literally be your ticket to safety. During interviews, officers agreed that the most important tool that you can carry is the item that happens to be in your hand, which more often than not turns out to be a pen. So Gerber designed a pen that can write in all conditions and is rugged enough to handle the unexpected. Made from machined steel with a tempered window-shattering tip design, the Impromptu tactical pen can be used to break a windshield to defend yourself from an unexpected attack. This pen will stand up to the call of duty. It seems like every brand has its version of the minimalist wallet, but Dango wallets manage to pack in extra utility while shaving down the profile. The Dango T01 Tactical is an industrial strength made in the US product with 14 different functions. Much of that utility is thanks to the high-carbon stainless steel MTO2 multi-tool that slides into the card compartment. Slide it out, lock it into the chassis, and use it to cut, saw, and defend. Other functions include bottle opening, nail prying, screw driving, all while holding up to 12 of your cards, plus cash in the elastic exterior band. Light your way outdoors with the Ledlenser MH5 compact headlamp thanks to its magnetic USB charger. This useful gadget provides up to 400 lumens of bright white light. That way, you can illuminate dark places while you walk. What's more, the unique lamp head mounting system lets you quickly turn this headlamp into a handheld light, so you can clip it into your clothing or gear to light the road ahead. Also, the Ledlenser Advanced Focus System allows you to switch from a broad flood beam to a focused long-distance beam with just a quick bezel turn. Moreover, these light functions give you bright illumination or an economical light for long battery life. For convenience, you can power this outdoor gadget with either rechargeable or AA batteries. Finally, with a waterproof rating of IP54, this compact headlamp can withstand water projected from a powerful spray. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the following videos here.